One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Start a revolution, so we best leave it well alone. And there's something that Frankie used to say, apparently. Oh, he says settle for a draw. You're not gonna get no more, so you should settle for a draw. I told you once, I'm sure. I told you once, I'm sure. You should settle for a draw. Why don't you settle for a draw?
Sound. Right.